Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to answer calls on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, the first solution is restart your iPhone. So guys, for the restart, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen, and the next solution is update your iOS to a latest version. So for the update, tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So check for update. So guys, if you have available update here, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So I have also latest version in my iPhone. So close. So guys, the next solution is switch between flight mode, enable and disable. So open to control center and turn on flight mode and turn this off. So after turning on and turning off, so guys, the next solution is check if the iPhone is overheated. So guys, if your iPhone is overheated, so it's the issue to you can enable answer the call. So the next solution is eject SIM card and reinsert the SIM card again. So the next solution is reset all settings of the iPhone. So for the reset, go to settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all settings. So guys, this will reset all settings, no data or media will be deleted. So tap on reset all settings here. So after resetting your iPhone, so reset network settings of your device, tap on settings, tap on general, tap on transfer reset and tap on reset network settings. So this will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.